Namaste everyone. Welcome to India Yoga online learning. Today we are going to learn a variation of Surya Namaskara that can be practiced during pregnancy across all trimester 1, 2 and 3. Why practice Surya Namaskara at all? If you ask me, I'm going to say this is something that helps you release and relax the whole body, keep you calm and stress-free throughout the day after the practice. But before we get started, make sure that you have permission from your doctor to practice yoga during pregnancy. And while practicing, please be very mindful. Take everything at your own pace. Keep breathing throughout the practice. Do not rush and do not force. So let's get started. Sit comfortably in any meditative posture. Palms on the thighs in Chinna Mudra, spine lengthened and eyes gently closed. Take a few deep and long breaths. Observe your breath at the tip of the nostrils. Now place your right palm on the chest and left palm on the navel. Let's go for a few rounds of Laghu Mukha Dhauti. Inhale deeply through the nostril. Exhale gently and long through the mouth. Let's keep going. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Slowly release your palms. Just observe the sensation throughout the body. With few gentle blinks, open your eyes. Let's get started with Surya Namaskara practice now. Get on top of the mat. 1 feet distance from the edge. Feet hip width apart. Shoulders rolled back and down in Samasthiti. Let's quickly check the alignment. Feet firmly grounded. Weight shared equally on all 4 sides of the feet. Knees are soft. No pressure in the lower back. Spine well lengthened. Shoulders and neck relaxed. Just take a couple of breaths here. So let's get started. Bring your palms to the chest in Namaste. Namaskarasana. Forearms parallel to the ground. Gently take your palms all the way up to Parvatasana, lengthening the spine, lengthening the sides of the body. If you're in trimester 2 and 3, you can stay here. But if you're in trimester 1, you can gently tilt the pelvis and give a gentle lean towards the back. From here, slowly lengthen the spine and take your palms all the way down in between the legs to Pada Hasta. Make sure there's no pressure in the abdomen. Spine is lengthened. Try not to round the spine. From here, take your right leg back to Ekapada Prasarana. Release the toes at the back. Knee and ankle in one line. Fingers well spread, no pressure in the wrist. Chest open, shoulders rolled. Breathing here. From here, take your left leg back. Widen the knees, drop the hip down to Adho Mukha Virasana, lengthen the spine. If this is too difficult and if there is any pressure in the abdomen, you can slightly keep the chest up or you can take your palms and stay here. From there, slowly scoop forward to Bhujangasana. Make sure there's no pressure in the wrist or the elbow, no pressure in the lower back as well. Toes released at the back. The pelvis and the abdomen are not in contact with the ground. Tuck the toes, lift up to Adho Mukha Svanasana. You can keep the knees bent, making sure that there is equal weight on all 4 limbs. If you are comfortable, you can slowly try to drop the heels down towards the mat. From here, slowly drop the knees down to Adho Mukha Virasana. Choose the variation that you are comfortable with. Slowly take your right leg forward again outside of the right palm to Ekapada Prasarana again. Chest open. Tuck the toes and bring your left foot forward gently to Padahasta again. If you are comfortable, you can try to slowly straighten the knee, but do not force or do not rush. Slowly inhale and come back to Namaskarasana and release to Tadasana. Now we'll do the same thing on the left side. We'll begin Namaskarasana. Take your palms all the way up to Parvatasana. Drop the palms down, Padahasta. Feet firmly grounded. This time take your left leg back to Ekapada Prasarana. Right leg back to Adho Mukha Virasana. Gently come forward, Bhujangasana, no pressure in the knees. Tuck the toes, lift up, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Adho Mukha Virasana. Be careful while dropping the knees. Make sure there is no jerk to the knee. Ekapada Prasarana. Left leg goes forward outside of the left palm. Take your time. Do not rush. Slowly bring the right leg forward to Padahasta. Gently come up, Namaskarasana, and then release to Tadasana. Feet hip width apart, palms to Namaste, Namaskarasana, Parvatasana, lengthen the spine. Padahasta, palms in between the feet. Ekapada Prasarana, right leg goes back. Adho Mukha Virasana. Scoop forward to Bhujangasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Adho Mukha Virasana. Ekapada Prasarana. Right leg comes forward. Padahasta. Gently bring the left leg forward. Namaskarasana. Slowly roll up. Release to Tadasana. Do it on the other side. Namaskarasana. Parvatasana. Padahasta. Ekapada prasarana, left leg goes back. Adho Mukha Virasana. Bhujangasana. To Adho Mukha Svanasana. Gently drop the knees, Adho Mukha Virasana. Ekapada prasarana, left leg comes forward. Padahasta. Slowly roll up to Namaskarasana. Release to Tadasana. That was really great. Now, before we do anything else, come down to Adho Mukha Virasana. Let's take a quick break. Release and relax. You can keep your eyes gently closed. Mindfully observe your heartbeat. Try to bring your breathing back to normal. Once you're ready, inhale and slowly come up and release your legs to Sukhasana. Sit comfortably in any meditative posture, spine lengthened, palms on the thighs, eyes gently closed. Take a few deep and long breaths. We'll end the practice with Laghu Mukha Dhauti. Place your right palm on the chest, left palm on the navel. Take a deep inhalation through the nostril. Exhale long through the mouth. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One last time, inhale deeply. Exhale long. Release and relax. Release your hands. Mindfully observe the sensation throughout the body. With few gentle blinks, open your eyes with a beautiful smile on your face. Remember, learn right, practice consistently, and experience happiness. Keep a beautiful smile on your face. Do not force ever during your practice. Keep yourself calm, hydrated, eat well, sleep well. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.